I've bought front and rear crash damaged BMW 540i and I'm going to make it pristine. I've done a ton of repairs, the water pump and the upper left coolant hose.
Yeah, my salvage though.
Integrated biological torque wrench, the battery died.
Very good.
Tests. This is what I see in the Oculus. Something happened with the car. Fixes. And to drill holes for... Wow, Sportline package. It's time to install the bumper wiring. And some upgrades. It is the new performance intercooler. In today's episode I'm going to fix all of the front end damage and take the car for a quick test drive. So let's get started. A lot of warning lights, but...
It's like a Christmas tree. Raining a lot?
Yeah, it's raining a lot. Now I'm wet content creator. I'll continue by assembling the freshly painted hood, installing the hooks, plugs, grommets, the windshield washer system, hood insulation and the hood stickers. I'll prepare engine hood stickers for installation. I'll give them a light coating of glue. I'll use some solvent to clean the residuals. And the hood installation is now complete. Next I installed the headlights. Let's plug the connector. I think the shorter bolts are on the top. Some silicone loop on the connector. Plug the connector. Okay. Let's install the bolts. Do they work?
No.
At all?
At all.
That's not good.
Not even the daylight.
Probably we should do some codings. To adapt the headlights we're going to use this tool and ProTool application. Let's put the car in diagnostic mode. This is the up. Actually, I should connect the two first. Let's read all of the codes. Probably left light electronics. Okay, read the codes. Functions. Okay, let's go to coding. Factory code. Code. Okay. The left headlight looks like it's working. Let's do the same with the other headlight. Yeah, the right headlight is now flickering. The DRL is working, I think. No errors found. Okay, let's test the headlights. What about DRL? Are they working?
DRL is working.
Okay. Low beam?
Low beam is working.
Okay, great. High beam?
Also working.
Okay. The side markers?
Yes. Both of them.
Okay, hazard lights?
Yes, both.
Okay. Fog lights obviously not working. We are done with the codings. I've made a mistake ordering a kidney grill from the luxury line package. I didn't realize there were different specifications for the kidney grills back then, so I've customized it to match the Sportline look. We're having a problem. This car is equipped with front camera, but in this kidney grill there is no opening. We have to replace this plastic trim and install the parking camera. We have to install this. To be able to install the camera, I have to replace the kidney's plastic cover with this. I have to remove the kidney's chrome trim, so let's begin. While disassembling the kidneys, I realized I have a small issue to figure out. Kidney grills attachment. We have to install the kidney grills, but there is a problem. Here we should have a clip that is missing, and unfortunately the clip is not able to be ordered separately from the base, and we've made a custom solution that we are going to try. These are our custom clips. We forgot to plug the shutters connector. If these were opened, it would be much easier. But unfortunately they're closed. And we have to repeat the procedure again. Or we may try to use this space here. Okay, I'll apply some silicone lube. Okay. Move your hand, please. Oh. Let's install the screws. I've just saw that the camera connector has been broken. I have to replace it. The camera that I've ordered came with this, and I'll try to remove the pins and replace the plastics of the connectors. Okay, these are the parts that we need. After I've made the description of the connector, now I can remove all of the pins. So I'm pressing this small silver thing. This is the locking of the pin. Yeah, the camera is working. Let's install the camera cover, the kidney grill chrome trim. I'm going to adjust the gaps of the headlights from this and this bolt, this one and the other one over there. Right now they are touching the kidney grills, chrome pieces. I successfully managed to install the front bumper, connected the connectors here, parking sensor, the other connectors on the right side of the bumper, this one and the parking sensor. Let's install the bumper screws. I have to align the bumper and the fender. Left side screws. Now the bumper is fully installed. Everything is aligned properly. The gaps are perfect. I have to attach this relay, the splash shield, Actually, I've made a mistake. I have to install the splash shield first, and after that I have to install the brakes air duct. I have to remove the splash shield. Let's install the brake duct properly. Okay, the right wheel arch is now done. Let's reinstall the wheel. It's very heavy. And now let's go to the left side. I have to install this cover. To remove the wheel. Install the wheel arch splash shield. Unfortunately, the clip is now broken. I have to replace it. A good used clip. Headlight cover. The plastic clip. And now it's time for the brake duct. And the left side wheel arch is now done. Install Fender chrome trim. I'll continue installing all of the underbody splash shields. We are almost done. Oh, the belt tensioner. Put your belt, please. A lot of warning lights, but
It's like a Christmas tree.
like a Christmas tree, yeah. Actually, the steering radius is very good. The suspension is quite soft. It absorbs all of the bumps very well. The engine is quiet. It's not very responsive like a compressor Mercedes, but it's very good.
Try the sport setting for response.
Straight 6 response, huh?
And to the left ones.
Oh yeah, now we have some boost. Actually, it pulls very good for 340 horsepower.
Try the gear selector once to the left.
Speed warning, blah blah, so on. It's much more modern than the CLS with all the parking assistants. The steering is very light. I feel that the steering ratio is a bit slower, but it's okay.
The steering ratio? Don't you mean the steering rack?
The steering rack, yeah. Let's do an acceleration test and brake check.
Yeah, you can crash into that BMW over there.
Yeah. Not a good idea to crash the car, but I believe there is a small possibility. Oh, it's pissed the tires. I like it. It's quite bolty, but it's fine. Let's make a sound check. Actually, I can feel the turbo and the wastegate. Let's try to fix some error codes. For this task, I'm going to use ProTool. This gesture.
Do it again.
Inject catheter. Inject latest catheter. Choose catheter.
This is not encoding.
Okay, I'll try to do it.
Try some service functions.
There is no service function in this tool. Probably I should try ISTA program. I'll use ISTA program to try to adapt the lane change warning. A lot of errors here. What's this?
I don't know, some cracking noises. Maybe the car is broken.
Okay, what's this?
You should be looking at this on the right side as www or something.
SWW. Issue test. Okay, diagnostics. Yeah, they're working. Versions report, okay.
Any color?
Yeah, it's raining a lot. Now I'm wet content creator. While my friend tries to fix all error codes with ISTA diagnostic tool, I've decided to save some time and continue installing the underhood plastics and seals. Washer fluid tank cap, a few plastic clips, the headlight cover. I'm having a few missing clips that I have to order. And now it's time for the HVAC plastic trim cover. Hood seal. At this point I need to add a few missing clips, but basically the front end is done. In the next episode I'm going to address all of the small issues that the Project Sugar is currently having and lead it to completion.